Thank you for coming to kshb.com and reading the blog or watching the blog, as it may be. We are tracking a couple of things. First, let's talk about Hurricane Matthew right now, moving into the Bahamas as a Category 3 hurricane, and pretty interesting on what this thing may do. First of all, as of Wednesday afternoon, about 120 miles per hour, Category 3, 55 miles north-northeast of Cabo Lucrecia, Cuba, perhaps that's how you pronounce it, moving northwest at 12 miles per hour. Started out in the middle of the Atlantic over a week ago, and here's kind of interesting. By tomorrow evening, right near Cape Canaveral there, between Daytona Beach and Fort Pierce, as a Category 4. So will it make landfall? Will it not? It's going to come awfully close. So a very dangerous situation there on the east coast of Florida. Then, as we go through time, it gets towards the Carolina coast, weakens by Saturday. This is a long-duration event. Now, some solutions have had this thing moving out to sea, but something may occur differently. There's a twist. Look at this. It does not go out to sea. It comes back and might actually do a loop back towards Florida early next week. Crazy. We are going to be talking about Matthew for many, many more days. The story totally unwritten at this time. Now, we had some thunderstorms on Tuesday night, all because of a cold front that came through, attached to a pretty good storm up north of Montana and the Dakotas. But this front, which is moving east to our east, is stalling to our south and becoming a warm front, and clouds are rapidly approaching from Wichita to Chanute and Springfield. These clouds are increasing, and they're moving right in our direction. So we're going to cloud up here this afternoon. And so our high will be reached about 2 in the afternoon, and then it's going to become cloudy. And there might even be a shower with these clouds. Not a thunderstorm yet. What we're looking at here, and Powercast shows us pretty well with these clouds increasing through the afternoon, there may be an evening shower, but this warm front is starting to approach. And overnight tonight, the chance of showers and thunderstorms begins to increase, especially as we go late tonight and into tomorrow morning. Some of the thunderstorms could get a little on the strong side or even severe with quarter-sized hail, so we'll be keeping an eye on that as this warm front pushes in. Look at that. 11:45 tomorrow morning. Some snow falling in western Nebraska. Wow. While we still are watching the warm front, still could have some thunderstorms as late as noon tomorrow or even early afternoon. Then the warm front moves through. And all of a sudden, in the afternoon, we pop up close to 80 degrees, 77 to 82, with 50s and 60s to the west. Then we have to deal with a cold front. And as that comes through, that could bring a pretty good round of thunderstorms tomorrow night. Some of those could be severe. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Then this cold front moves on through, pushes the rain out. Friday's chilly, and the weekend is spectacular. So here we go, hour by hour, 2 p.m. Partly cloudy, 77, but 4 and 6 p.m., pretty thick overcast. Temperatures falling back into the low 70s, the chance of a shower, and then a better chance of thunderstorms after 6 to 8 o'clock tonight. Kind of take a look at this on our 3D version. 11 o'clock tonight is the Truman Sports Complex, the Plaza, downtown. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight, moving across the area. Then as we go towards the morning, here comes a pretty good round of thunderstorms possible. So the morning rush hour, we could see some pretty good thunderstorms. But those move out. We're still waiting for the warm front to come through. So there's a chance of thunderstorms even until the lunch hour. And then it moves out. And you can see the cold front off to the west. We become partly cloudy off to the west. There's the front. And then this front moves in. Here it comes. And here come the thunderstorms for tomorrow night. And some of those could be pretty significant. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. And then on the 7-day forecast, after the chance of rain Thursday night and Friday morning, dry for several days and even into next week. So if you need to fertilize the yard, put some grass seed down, this might be the day to do it. Have a great rest of your Wednesday and weekend.